Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my baked ziti. I actually use bow ties instead of like the ziti pasta just because the kids think it's fun. I actually kind of got ready today because I haven't been out in so long that I thought I would get semi-dressed up. So I'm in my overalls with my army shirt and then my pantuflas because those are going to be the most comfy to cook in. Okay, so let's get started with the pasta. All right guys, I'm gonna start chopping up my garlic. 3 to 4 clovers or to taste, it's up to you. Let me put my hair up. I feel like I look so much better in person than I do on this camera. Also, like, why? I need to stop eating. I need to stop making this food. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm on like medium-high heat. Once I see that it starts warming up, I will add the ground beef. Okay, I can see that the oil is warming up, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my ground beef. So in the picture on my thumbnail, you probably noticed that it said 3 pounds of ground beef. You actually need 1 pound. If you're more of a meaty person, you can do like 1.5 pounds, but this is all they had at the store was the 3 pounds. So that's why you saw that in the picture. Okay, now that my meat is drained, I'm gonna go ahead and add it back in here so I can saute it with the onion and the garlic. All right guys, so I'm gonna set the oven to 350. Okay, so I have this whole little setup over here. I have the meat, not the pasta. The pasta. Okay, let's try that again. I have the meat, the pasta, and then the ingredients. This is really embarrassing, but if anybody has a pasta recipe, make sure to comment it down below. But I like to use the Prego Marinara sauce. I actually bought 2. I like my stuff saucy, so I put 1 in the meat and then 1 in the pasta. So first I have my tray here where I'm gonna put my pasta. So I'm actually going to put some of this sauce at the bottom of it and kind of start layering it. Okay, now that I've put the sauce in there, I'm gonna start putting the rest of the sauce into my meat. Okay, and then for those people that like it pretty saucy, this is actually gonna be the first layer that goes into this. So it'll be okay if the meat is not drowned in sauce. Now I'm gonna add my sauce to my bow ties. You don't have to add all the sauce, but like I said, I like everything saucy, so I'm going to put it all in there. All right, guys, remember that you can always modify the way you do all of this. So if you want to saute your onion first, if you want to use the leanest ground beef, it's totally up to you. Oh, also, some people actually don't put sauce in their noodle. I've done that before, and I feel like the baked ziti actually came out a little bit more dry, and I didn't like that. So I've found that if I add sauce to the beef and to the pasta, it turns out a lot better, more flavorful. So the first layer that's gonna go into here is going to be the meat. Now you're only gonna do about half of the meat. You don't want to do all of it, save most of it for the top. Now I'm going to add all of my noodles. I'm going to add the rest of my meat. Add the Parmesan cheese. Starting to clean up and put things away, and I just realized I did not put the seasoning in the meat when I was supposed to. So I'm actually going to put it in, even though it's already in the oven, I am going to go ahead and add that on top. Guess what I made for dinner tonight?
I don't know.
Pizza. Baked ziti. With the bow tie.
I love it. Okay. Oh my god.
This is great. So I'm all done. I'm going to put my hair down. Oh no, it says those aren't supposed to leave creases. They lied. Breaking out everywhere. Ooh, oh gosh. Also, I keep wanting to look here at the camera so I can like look at myself, and I'm still not used to it. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys make your own sauce for your baked ziti, make sure to comment that down below as well. I would love to try an actual from scratch sauce instead of using the Prego marinara. So make sure to leave that down below. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time that I post.